Hello friends. So here we will talk about the pricing of Systeme.io. If you are a creator like me, a YouTube creator or an affiliate marketer, or if you want to create your own course, then Systeme.io provides you with all the features you need. Here you can find 9 features. Yes, friends, 9 features. For example, if you look here, you can build sales funnels, do email marketing, and if you want to build a website, you can do that too. You can also manage affiliate programs here. If you want to focus on business automation, that's available too. You can also conduct evergreen webinars, create online courses from this website, and if you want to start blogging, you can do that as well. You can also sell digital products. You have so many options available here. So let's talk about whether you should select the free plan or any other plan. If you're just starting out, for example, I am one person who wants to start a course, but I have no idea how to create a course or how to sell it. So here I would definitely recommend that you buy the free plan because look friends, you get up to 2000 contacts for your email list. You can send unlimited emails, and if you want to develop sales panels, you get 3 sales panels in the free plan. Also, there is a specific blogging website where you can create one blog and unlimited blog posts. So, as I mentioned, if I want to create a course, I can create a specific course here without any limit on the number of students. You can also build communities here. There are many integrations available such as Google Sheets integration, ActiveCampaign integration, SendGrid integration, and you have many options here. If you want to create coupon codes for your course, you can find that here too. All these options are free. Yes, friends, everything is available for free. But if you want to choose a plan because your business is quite large, I would recommend selecting the startup plan because as you can see, you can fill up to 5,000 contacts for your email list. If you have been using the free plan and your email list has grown to 2,000 and you want to expand your business further, I would recommend that you charge $27 here. In this plan, you also get unlimited emails and can create more sales funnels. Yes, friends, if you want to create multiple blogs to promote your course or your digital products, I would say that the startup plan is the best for you. So, if your business keeps growing, you will have all the tools you need. So, here, what I'm saying is that the startup line is best for you. If your business is continuously growing and you're getting more visitors on your website and you've also received more contacts, then here you can get up to 10,000 contacts with unlimited emails. Generally, everyone gets sales phones or 50, meaning if you're paying $47, you can create many blogs and courses. You can do about 20 courses here. So there are a lot of features available. If we compare this with the 10 plans, like ClickFunnels, if you need ClickFunnels for your funnel, or if you need a course to create, there are many different ticket options to pay for. But on one platform, you can see all the features. There are many great features available here. If you need this, friends, I've provided the link in the description. You can check which plan you want to take. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. To watch more amazing videos like this, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.